Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Gacha Club and loading the character you want to edit. Once loaded, go straight to Studio or Editor. Make sure you zoom into the face so you can see the eye layers clearly. Next, tap the Layers panel and locate the eye-related layers, eye, eye shine, eye color, because you will be modifying them. Right away, duplicate the eye layer to preserve the original. This saves you time and gives a safe version to revert to if needed. Once you have a duplicate, turn off or delete the eye shine layer to remove the built-in glare. This is the fastest way to eliminate bright spots. Then select the remaining eye color or highlight layers and use the eraser or brush at small size to refine edges where shine remains. If you want a softer result, lower the highlight layer opacity to between 0 and 30%. This keeps natural depth without the cartoon glare. Make careful, small strokes so pupils stay crisp. To finish, zoom out and inspect the eyes at normal view to ensure they look natural. Tiny edits can appear large when zoomed. If depth looks flat, add a faint, small highlight with low opacity or a tiny shadow beneath the iris to restore form without reintroducing shine. Make sure to save a new preset when satisfied. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to the duplicated layer or use undo steps. That duplicate is your safety net and will fix most errors fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.